Welcome to TechMind, your source for all things tech. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of blockchain technology. From its origins in the world of cryptocurrency to its potential applications in a variety of industries, blockchain is a powerful tool that's changing the way we think about data and transactions. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of blockchain. First, let's define what blockchain is, at its most basic level. Blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way. Instead of relying on a centralized authority like a bank or government, blockchain uses a network of computers to verify and validate transactions. The key feature of blockchain is its ability to create a secure and tamper-proof record of transactions. Each block in the chain contains a unique code that links it to the previous block, creating an unbreakable chain of information. Blockchain technology was first introduced as the underlying technology behind Bitcoin, the popular cryptocurrency. However, blockchain's potential goes far beyond just digital currencies. It can be used to create secure and transparent records of any type of transaction, from medical records to property deeds to supply chain tracking. Blockchain's ability to create a secure and transparent record of transactions has the potential to revolutionize a variety of industries. For example, in the financial industry, blockchain could be used to create more secure and efficient payment systems. In the healthcare industry, it could improve patient data security and interoperability. And in the supply chain industry, it could improve transparency and reduce the risk of fraud. Of course, like any new technology, blockchain also comes with its own set of challenges. For example, the energy consumption required to mine new blocks can be significant, and there are concerns about the potential for blockchain to be used for illegal activities. However, as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see new solutions to these challenges. That's it for today's video on the basics of blockchain technology. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMind for more exciting tech content, and hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.